Hello children, quiz number 4 for geometry. So let's take a look here. Make sure you put your name, date, and the period up at the top. We're looking at questions 1 and 2, and it says to classify the triangle by its angles and by its sides. So you need to tell me what kind of a triangle is this. Is it like a right triangle, an isosceles triangle, an equilateral triangle, something of that nature? And just write that answer over here in the sides for number 1 and 2. For numbers 3 through 8, you need to find the value of x. Okay, so now in number 3, all right, take a look. We're talking about 3 interior angles here. Okay, and remember that all 3 angles need to add up to what? I believe that's the number we're looking for there. Okay, so that's a number 3, number 4. Again, we've got 3 interior angles. A little something extra with this one is that you've got the perfect corner down here. 2 different ways you could set that one up. Remember, we talked about that in the homework in 4.2. Either way, you should get the answer to figure out what angle x is equal to. Okay, number 5. We know that this top angle is 36. And these base angles down here are each 8x, so they're equal to each other. And again, let's set up an equation where all 3 of those angles, angle what plus angle what plus angle what, equals 180 degrees. Combine your like terms and solve for x. In number 6, same thing, however, we're wanting to find the outside angle. It's an exterior angle. So remember, all you got to do is look across and do something with these 2 angles here to figure out what x is. Scroll down here to number 7. Again, we're given an exterior angle and 1 interior angle. We need to figure out what's the value of x. So now we need to work backwards a little bit, don't we? Again, these 2 here put together make that guy. So what do you have to do to figure out what x is? Number 8, we need to find the value of x. This one's a little bit different. You need to set up an equation. I would take, you got your exterior angle here. He equals what these 2 added together are. Okay, so if you're setting up your equation, it might look where you're something like this, where we're going to say the 60 plus the 60 is going to equal the 5x minus 10. That's number 8. Okay, last 2 questions, number 9 and number 10. They come from section 4.3. And notice that we have tick mark here and here. We need to find the value of x. So remember what we talked about. If the angles or the sides are the same, what do we know about the base angles? Okay. And same goes for in number 10, only here's your tick marks. So he's looking at that angle. He's looking at this angle. You need to figure out what this one is. And then lastly, you need to find the value of x, which is right here, this top angle. Okay, so figure out what the third angle is in number 10. That's slightly different from number 9. If you have any questions, let me know. Wish you the best of luck. That's the end. See ya.